Yo! I'm RELIK, welcome to Wave Ninja. Today I'm going to be making a video going over 5 free VSTs and synths that you can use in your tracks, because I feel like people just gas themselves up thinking that they need $500 plugins like Omnisphere to make good beats, when really you could just be using stock plugins if you wanted. But yeah, I'm going to be going over 5 free plugins that you can download, and I'm going to be using all the stock presets in them too, but there are preset expansions for a lot of them. But yeah, I have this drum loop that's super basic. And I'm going to be making melodies out of the synths to go along with the drum loop. And there's going to be no post-processing, so it's only going to be what comes out of the synths. So the first one is called SynthOne, and just so you know, I'll have all the downloads in the description box below. But yeah, SynthOne is really good and is probably the most popular of them all, and you can get so much customization out of it. Like, it's pretty much a full-fledged synth that you can use for free if you can get it over how ugly it looks, because it actually looks like complete shit. But there are so many presets for this thing. Like, if you use Google, you can get, I think it's 25,000 free presets if you really want to go all out and download all of them. But I'm sure there's a lot of really good smaller packs that you can find. But yeah, here's what I made with just with the stock presets. The next one is actually another super popular one, and it is called the UHE Tyrell N6. And this one actually I like a lot more because it has just as many presets that come stock, and also it looks much better and it's a lot easier to navigate, especially when you're just trying to make beats. A lot of the synths that I actually chose for this video have a lot of really good presets for the very purpose that you don't necessarily need to be sound designing or need to sound design to get a really good sound. And if you want the capabilities of sound designing, then it also gives you that option as well. But here's what the N6 sounds like. The third one is called Dext, and I think it is a really good one because it emulates, I think it's a Yamaha DX7, but it's basically a FM synthesizer, and it has a lot of really cool presets to it. And there's a lot of character that comes with a lot of the presets. Like, it's super interesting sounding, and pretty much every preset is usable in a track. The fourth plugin is called Free Alpha, and it's by Limplug. And I think this is a baby version of the Alpha plugin that Limplug owns. But this one actually gave me probably the most unique sounds out of all of them. There's a lot of presets that are probably a little too crazy to be used, but I got some of the best results with this plugin, and it's free. So yeah, here's an example. And the last and final VST is actually a sample library called Ample Guitar M2 Lite, and it's a lighter version of one of their other sample libraries, but it's an acoustic guitar sample library, and it is so good. Like, there's nothing that will come even close in terms of guitar samples that you can find for free. And you can pretty much make any Lil Peep type style beat or Lil Tracy style beat that you possibly can think of, as long as you're good at melodies and putting in MIDI, because you can do strumming, and you can do strumming patterns, and you can do solos and slides and everything. Like, it's the whole 9 yards. So yeah, I would definitely recommend that you check that out. I'm going to show an example of what I did, and yeah. But yeah, that's all the synths that I wanted to show you. Hopefully you found 1 or 2 of them that you haven't heard of and you want to give a shot. But yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.